Welcome to the lecture for week 7. Today our topic is Management of Financial Institutions. My name is Imtiaz, and I will be delivering the lectures for this class from week 7 up until week 12. Today our broad topic can be broken down into 5 different pieces. Bank's balance sheet, the basics of banking operations, general principles of banking, how to measure a bank's performance, and finally, regulation of bank. I will be breaking up the entire video for this lecture into 5 different chunks corresponding to each one of these topics. This way, you will be able to visit each one of these subtopics at your own time and convenience. So that's it for this small little introductory video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.